Welcome back to healthynidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we are making two unusual vegan rice-based dishes, one from the east and one from the west. Making quinoa chili, which is wholesome and protein-rich. In a pan, we take olive oil, chopped onions, garlic, bell peppers, and the basic homemade taco seasoning. Washed and drained quinoa, fresh or frozen corn, tinned black beans and crushed tomatoes, some salt to taste and some homemade vegetable stock. Mix well to combine and then cover and cook till the quinoa is done. Serve these hot in a bowl topped with cheese, sour cream and jalapenos. We start by slicing pineapples into half and cutting the flesh into cubes, removing the flesh and creating a cavity kind of a bowl for serving later. In a pan, we take coconut or peanut oil, adding the garlic and red chilies, giving it a stir, and then we add the red curry paste. A bit of tomato paste, choice of veggies and giving it a stir. Then we add soy sauce or tamari, mixing well to combine chopped up tofu chunks and pineapple slices. Mix well to combine. Some coconut milk powder for the creaminess in the rice mixture. Add boiled brown rice to combine. Then in another pan, we add coconut oil and cashews and toast it till golden. Serve the prepared rice in the pineapple shell for presentation and flavor and top it with roasted cashews. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you.